Hello everyone, greetings. I am Bhavna Mittal, Principal, Madan International School, Hanumangarh. Today, I welcome you all on the virtual inspection of our school for upgradation from secondary to senior secondary. I wholeheartedly welcome our IC members, Mrs. Asha Tyagi, Principal, Shikhar Shishu Sadan, Bijnor, UP, and Mrs. Suruchi Kataria, Principal, DAV Public School, Navi Mumbai. So please have a look at our school. This is the main gate of our school. This school runs under Madan Educational and Charitable Trust. This school is situated on Satipura Bypass Road. This road leads to capital of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Here on my right side, you can see a vast parking area for all the visitors and parents. You can see the Pakka boundary wall. On my left side, we have drinking water facility because you know Rajasthan is very hot, so it helps to quench the thirst of the passerby. Now, let's move inside. We are very particular about safety and security of all the stakeholders. You can see the camera being installed to keep an eye on all the visitors and the activities being taking place outside the school even. This main gate opens only for the school transportation. For all the visitors, we have a small gate at the side, and you can see one CCTV camera being installed at this gate too. On both the sides, this is towards the school and one is towards outside. Here, this is Mr. Dinesh who takes care of all the visitors, notes the temperature and keeps the record of all the visitors. Here, we have a loo facility for all the visitors. We are again very particular for the safety and security of all the stakeholders. So, this side we have the lobby for all our drivers and conductors, as they are not allowed at all to intermingle with our students. So, moving towards my right side only, you can see the parking zone for the staff members. Here, we have a small botanical garden. Here the students experience the working in farms and they grow the small plants and the herbs over here. You can see the Pakka boundary wall. This side we have a green zone, a place where everybody sits and they relax their mind, enjoy the nature and sit for meditation even. This is this green zone. Further, we have the staff quarters. We have the staff quarters and you can see the Pakka boundary walls. The Pakka boundary wall. Yes, moving towards my left. This is connected with our main gate. We have the play zone for our small champs. Before introducing this play store, let us see the Pakka boundary wall. This is all intact with the main gate of the school. Here is the play store for the little champs. They enjoy the rides, the slides, the swings, the tunnel, but because of this COVID-19, they are not coming to school. I am really missing my little champs. Really, without them, the school is having no beauty at all. The heart of the school is missing. This side, we have the play area for our senior students. Volleyball, badminton, high jump, juvenile. So, different sports are played here. This is Mr. Patram. You can see the Pakka boundary wall. You can see the Pakka boundary wall. Now coming out of this green ground, the lush green ground, we are moving towards our basketball court. Before this, I would like to tell you that we have the sign marks over here. This is our basketball court cum skating rink. You can see the balls, the court, the marking, but the players are missing. Because of COVID-19, they are not coming to school. But really I am a proud principal that my students are playing at district level, state level and even at national level. So my students are doing great job in the field of sports and they are bringing laurels to the school by bagging the first, second and third positions at different levels. Boys and girls both are playing very well. So here again you can see on my left side the Pakka boundary wall. Here we have, this is the gate being used in case of emergency. We have proper evacuation plans in case of any emergency. We have all the arrangements and you can have a magnificent view of our school's building. We have ground floor, first floor and second floor. On my right side, you can see the place where we hoist the flag on Independence Day and Republic Day. You can see the Pakka boundary wall on my right side too. Before moving towards our admin block, I would like to take you to our swimming pool. The greenery is all around, the plants are grown, the gardener is really working hard even in this COVID-19 time to maintain the greenery in the school. Here on my left side is a Pakka boundary wall and on my right side is a stupendous building of our school. We have 24-hour power backup in our school. So, this is our generator set, power backup system. Pakka boundary wall on my left side. On my right side, again you can see the ramp. This is the entry point for our students and this ramp is designed by keeping in mind the inclusive studies. So, here again the Pakka boundary wall. Along with this, you can see the huge transportation system of our school. I would like to take you inside one of our bus, school bus that carries the children around and all the buses are AC. Along with that, all the buses are enabled with GPS and fire safety system is installed in every bus. So, here you can see the transport system of our school. The fire safety system is installed, fire extinguishers in every bus. You can see the AC buses, GPS enabled and one student, one seat. So, we have reached to our school's swimming pool. Again, the pool is missing its swimmers. You can see the students of our school, those who brought, they won at different levels. This small pool is for my little chance. We don't allow children to move to the big swimming pool. This side you can see the vacuum cleaner for the swimming pool. Here are the changing rooms and the showers on both the ends. So here you can see the showers again, the separate changing sections. The timetable is planned in such manner that boys and girls come different times for the swimming. Though we have separate changing section for boys and girls, but they are not allowed to come in one time. So now we have come to this covered area. This area is multi-purpose actually. This is basically used for assembly as well as to conduct the various house activities. This area is used to park our buses in case of holidays, the long holidays. Again, the huge transportation system. You can see the buses, one student, one seat. So now we are moving towards the Adam block. On my right side you can see the school building and on my left side you can see the Pakka boundary wall. Here we have a small entry for our students. From this side they move to the school, inside the school after the morning assembly. You can see the Pakka boundary wall on my left side and on my right side again the school building. Now we are heading towards the Adam block of our school. You can see the greenery around. Please show the Pakka boundary wall on my left side again. This is all intact. So, let's move inside. This is the Adam block of our school. So, before entering into our Adam block, I would like to introduce the 4 houses of our school. The various competitions and activities are held under the flagship of 4 houses: Abraham Lincoln House, Dr. Kalam House, Kalpana Chawla House and Madam Curie House. So, let's move inside. Let us take the blessings of Goddess of Wisdom. Goddess Saraswati blesses every stakeholder here. This is the Adam block and here is our help desk. So, this is Mr. Manvinder. He helps everyone over here. Here he has an announcement system through which all the important information are being carried out into the classrooms. Along with this, there is first aid box and suggestion box because we value the suggestion of each and everyone. The suggestions help us to improve more. On this side, we have our biometric system. Because of COVID-19, we are not punching, rather our facial expressions, our face reading is done and this is our facial biometric. So, moving towards principal's office. This is my office. These all are the trophies been won by our students in various competitions. This is our counselor room. One-to-one counseling is done. You can see the thoughts displayed everywhere. The thoughts are the food for the brain. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. This is one of my favorite thought been given by the great scientist Albert Einstein. This is our chairman's office. Let me take you to our conference hall now. So this conference hall is a very important place of our school because all the staff meetings are held in the conference hall. The important decisions are taken over here. Now we are moving towards our account section. So this is our account section. Mr. Umakant is working honestly and he's very hardworking. This side we have pantry of our school. This is the pantry of our school.
Here, the beverages are served
to all the stakeholders. This side we have our power control system. You can see the safety and security been always given the due importance. The fire safety system is here. Again, the complete building is under the surveillance of CCTV cameras. The camera has been installed at every place. This side we have loo facility for our staff members. This is for male staff members. This one for female staff members. This side we have the school store. This area is for visitors. School is not only about the infra and the building. School is about the activities, the work done inside with the help of our students to groom them, to upgrade them. So you can have a glimpse of the school's activities here. The tours, excursions, the plantation activities, the debate, declamation, school exhibition where children explore and they show their creativity. The different activities are carried on time to time. This is FM radio station of our school. All the important days and festivals are celebrated in our school. The little champs participate very enthusiastically. The elections are also held in school for the student council, and the students work for the betterment of society. They visit to slum area on the occasion of Diwali and important festivals so that they could share and they could celebrate the Diwali function with the needy ones too. The awareness programs are being held from time to time. The SP, DC, they all come to school to guide the students, to motivate them up, and to spread the awareness. Such campaigns are held. Seminars on self-defense are held regularly, especially for the girls. Elections are held, and to your surprise, this time the elections were held online. The virtual elections were conducted, so students participate in various activities. Every student is given a chance to participate. We take care of each and every student. So, the virtual investiture ceremony was also conducted, in which the students were given the badges and the sashes by their family members, and a virtual program was held. You can have a glimpse of it. The parents giving the sashes to their children. So now we are moving towards the school's academic section. This is English only zone, and without mask there is no entry, though I am not wearing face mask because I am to speak. Here on my right side we have a staff room for our teachers. You can see the staff room is also enabled with AC. This staff room is kept in this direction so that teachers can also keep a watch on the students, because students are restricted to Adam block and the people from Adam block are restricted to academic area. So now let's move to our computer section. You can see the thoughts everywhere. This is our girls' toilet. Let me take you inside. The wash basins for the girls, and one more seat towards this side. Now you can again see the fire safety system. This is our computers lab, the smart board, and the computers been installed, and we have 30 PCs. 1-to-1 studies is our motto, so all the students are given one student, one PC. This is Mr. Aman. He is our PGT Computer Science. So sir, which languages are you teaching to children in our school?
Python, Scratch and so on.
Okay, thank you sir. So we are moving towards the play zone for the kindergarten. This stretch is for the sports only. Judo is learnt over here, and this side we have the water facility for the students. RO water is served to all the students. Again, at the gate you can see the fire safety system. Now we are moving towards class 4. This is the important information board outside every class. Again, English only zone. So this is our class 4. Here you can see every classroom is enabled with a green board, smart board and a projector. All the smart boards are enabled with internet facility so that teachers can show the different videos to students and they could carry on with virtual experimentation. Here we believe in less bag weight for our students. So that's why we have rack in our every class so that students can keep their extra books here and they could have the less bag weight. At the back side, we have a display board where the efforts of our students are witnessed in the form of art and craft. The rooms are very spacious and the furniture is as per the need of our students. So, now we are moving towards our kindergarten, and this is the play zone for our kindergarten. The children enjoy this area the most, but I am really missing them a lot. So these are the different slides, the rides, the trampoline. The green color is given to the base. So this play zone fascinates the little champs the most. Let me take you around. Here my children jump, they move inside and they jump. This is the slide for them. So this is the UKG classroom. Here you can see we have written Marigold UKG because the children, the tiny tots are the real flowers. They blossom, they spread their fragrance everywhere. All the classrooms are theme-based classroom. Here you can see the little children learn in the presence of the fairies, the cartoon characters. You can see the beauty all around as per the need of the tiny tots. All the classrooms, as I have told you, are enabled with all the classrooms are equipped with the smart board, the projector, internet facility, and green board is available, 2 ACs are installed, and we have the Almirah here in this room. So now moving towards the LKG class. This is our LKG class. This is LKG Rose, and here the theme is aquatic life. The children learn the aquatic animals. They learn about the aquatic life, their importance, and they feel like they are with them. They are learning in the presence of them. So the colorful furniture, the rack, book rack even in the shape of the train, the bus, the smart board, projector, green board, 2 ACs been installed, and the beauty of the room. Really, the champs enjoy a lot over here. Now we are heading towards our nursery class. This is our Lily pre-nursery. Really, it's a fun to be at this place. The children learn different rhymes, even the alphabets, the digits, with the help of smart board. Here we have one bed for the little champs because they are very innocent. They can sleep anytime. So seeing their comfort, we have all the facilities over here. This is our class 1, equipped with smart board, green board, ACs, as well as the furniture is so colorful for them. And even through the windows, you can see the pakka boundary wall all around. Now we are moving towards class 2. Again, as I told you, every room has a special theme. So this is the infra being capped. So you can see the infra in every classroom is the same. The smart board and the green board. Every room has a special theme. As this room has the theme safety measures at road. You can see the thoughts displayed. Here we have the water point, and this is the same entry gate as I showed you earlier, the gate with ramp, and the fire safety system here, fire extinguisher. Along with this, the water point, RO water is served, pure RO water is served to all the students. Let me take you upstairs. This is our quiet zone, no anger place, the fire safety system, pure water supplied to students, RO water. Here you can see the display board, and now we are moving towards 11th Arts. This is 11th Arts. You can see the same infra, the smart board, the green board, ACs, along with that one dice, the almiras to keep the books, and the theme, because this is 11th Arts, so the theme is our Indian history. The room size is very spacious. Now we are moving towards our biology lab. This is our biology lab. So now we are here in our biology lab, and let me introduce you our lab assistant, Mrs. Prabjot. So Prabjot ma'am.
Hello. Observation and experimentation, they have a lot of impact on a child's mind. So keeping that concept in view, we have equipped our biology lab with various preserved specimens, prepared slides, biovisual charts and models. So the basic view of creating the biology lab is that it emphasizes on the development of the scientific temper of the students. So we have equipped our biology lab with a wide range of biological as well as biochemical techniques, which our very experienced staff provides the students with the training. So initially, I would like to bring to your notice the microscopes. We have simple and light microscopes in our bio lab, and the provision of light for the functioning of the microscopes has been kept in mind, which is very essential for the working of a microscope. Next, we have various specimens that are preserved in formalin, arranged according to the diversity in the kingdom. The plant kingdom and the animal kingdom have been segregated, and also the bifurcations in various kingdoms have been demarcated very efficiently. The various apparatus that is required, glass slides, cover slips, watch glass, forceps, spatula, all are present in our biology lab, and also the basic chronology of the structural organization in living beings has been displayed, like starting from the cell. The cells of similar types, they aggregate to form tissues, tissues aggregate to form organs, various organs compiled together form organ system, and then the apparatus that is present in our biology lab and the various specimens. We all keep a record of it in our stock register, which you can see over here. So the particulars, the number of the quantity of the specimens and the apparatus has been mentioned in the stock register. So we keep a very well record of the stock that we maintain in a biology lab.
Thank you so much, Prabjot ma'am. Thank you. Okay, let me take you to our sports room. Mr. Patram with us. He is our swimming coach, and this is our indoor sports room. So Patramji, please tell about your sports room.
Hello everyone, this is a sports room, and this model is swimming pool and two TT table and cricket equipments, skating. This is for skating and dumbbell PT, legion PT, clappers and cricket equipments. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you so much, Patramji. Our students come in groups to play indoor games. You can see the size of our indoor sports room. Now we are heading towards our physics lab. Without experimentation, it is not possible to understand the vast concepts of any of the subject. So, this place helps the children to understand the concepts. So, this is Mr. Manish. He is our lab assistant. So, he will tell you more about physics lab.
Hello everyone, myself Manish Varmani, and here it is our physics lab. And now you know about the theoretical knowledge is less about the practical knowledge, but the students learn most about the practical knowledge. So here some apparatus are used, which is used in the electricity. like some ammeters, voltmeters, which is specially used in the electricity, and it is starting from the 10th class. But the students take more interest when they are going to the higher classes. So these are the equipments which are used in the electricity. Like, so here the students know about the like connections and resistance, where we got the concept about the like galvanometer to ammeter and ammeter to voltmeter. So it is helpful for the students. How can we calculate the current voltage in the daily life, our home circuits also. So here the meter is potential meter. So where we can measure the potential around, which is helpful because the students take more interested when we are taking some daily examples. Like this is our optical bench. So by this apparatus, students can understand the like light. Basically, we know about the image and optics. And so here it is the prism. So we can understand the concept of dispersion of light. And now we have to keep all the segments into the records, like we have the stock register of this lab, and by maintaining all the equipments.
Thank you so much, Manishi. Thanks a lot. And you can see the smart board being displayed over here. We have our physics lab equipped with smart board. You know the reason why? Because there are many experiments that could be shown virtually to our students. So smart board helps the children to understand the concepts experimentally. Now we will have a round of our chemistry lab. So here in chemistry lab, again I would like to request Manishi to please explain.
So this is our chemistry lab, and the students make more interested in the chemistry lab, like they have do the practicals, like they have to do like in apprentice or in the apparatus, like we have the burette system. So most of the experiment done by the titration, as you all know. But now, the students take more interested when they are discussing about the concept of metals, non-metals and acid. So here you can see how the equipments are arranged in proper manner. Like here the acids and most of the substances are used for the titration and other checking of the, like we have to identify the metals. So
please tell us about your salts.
Yeah, ma'am. So here the salts are in the almiras, like we have all of the salts which are used by identified in the chemistry experiments, and here the flask and beakers are arranged, and from here it is like metals, non-metals. We have categorized all these equipments in this, like filter paper are also used in the filtration, and here some or another equipments are also required. So this is the place where the students do the practical, like here they perform all the activity, like and the students must taking care their security purpose also in there, like they have some precautions. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Manishi. So let me take you to our geography lab.
Hello everyone, this is our school's geography lab, and as you all know that geography plays a vital role in developing all-round development of our students, and we have our well-equipped geography lab. Here we have measuring and surveying equipments also, scales, globe and maps are also here, and here you can see that these are the activities.
These all models
Are activities, and we have surveying equipments also. We have surveying equipments also, so that students, if have to visit to the fields, then they can also use that surveying equipments. And here the creativity shows by the students, and these are the models that are prepared by our talented students. Different models, and to show the activities. Here you can see the surveying equipments.
and all the models are prepared by our students in school itself. So, Viniji, I just would like to know, how do you keep your records?
We have separate registers for maintaining our records, and this is our stock register, and in this register we have maintained all our records of the lab, but our material we are purchasing or anything else that are kept in that record.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Okay, I would like to take you to our water point. Here again, the water point has the purifier. The RO water is served to all the students. You can see the fire extinguisher that side, and this is the boys' toilet. Let me take you inside. You can see the washrooms. The partition. You can see the partition here. The urinals are separated with partitions. The wash basins, the soap being provided. And now let me take you to our maths lab. It has been said that mathematics, generally people feel mathematics a very tough and boring subject. But you will be amazed to know that for my students, maths is no more a phobia. They learn maths by doing, learning by doing. So you can see the various models being prepared by the students of our school. You can see the difficult concept of mathematics becomes very easy, very interesting when they carry on. The volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. So everything they learn practically. You can see the various shapes, the triangles, the Baker system, everything displayed here. The tough concepts of maths become very easy when they explore. They carry on hand-on activities. Here we have interesting games for our students too. So let's move to the toilet area. This is for girls. Wash basins. So towards my left side is our health and wellness room. Here we have beds, the weighing machine, the height chart as well as the medicines. So now, let's go to the heart of our school, the heart of every school I must say, the music room. The music room has all the equipments, and this particular area is for dance. So here we have the mirrors as the students perform the dance steps and they could judge themselves how they have learned and what rest they could learn more. Let me take you to our activity room. This is our activity room, and here you can see the creation, the models being prepared by the students. They work on, they carry on with their बीच में रुक जाते हैं carry on. The different things, the craft things being prepared by my students. All these things are prepared in the school. The Hawa Mahal. The walls been prepared by the senior students of our school. They have painted these walls. Now, I am taking you towards the brain of our school, the place where everyone gets the knowledge, not only about their subjects, but they do learn a lot about the various subjects.
नमस्कार, मदान इंटरनेशनल स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में आपका स्वागत है। हमारे यहाँ लाइब्रेरी में कुल 4,909 पुस्तकें हैं, जिनमें विभिन्न तरह की पुस्तकें शामिल हैं और हमारी लाइब्रेरी का रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए विभिन्न तरह के रजिस्टर लगाए गए हैं, जिनमें ये एक्सेशन रजिस्टर नंबर 1 है, जिसमें 2410 तक पुस्तकें संधारित की गई है। उसके बाद एक्सेशन रजिस्टर नंबर 2 भी है, जिसके अंदर कुल 4,909 पुस्तकें हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स को बुक्स इशू करने के लिए बुक इशू रजिस्टर लगाए गए हैं। इसके अलावा हमारे पास मैगजीन रिकॉर्ड रजिस्टर है, जिसके अंदर न्यूज़पेपर्स, मैगजीन्स वगैरह का रिकॉर्ड संधारित किया जाता है। हमारी लाइब्रेरी में डॉक्टर रंगानाथन जी द्वारा दिए गए सभी नियमों का बहुत अच्छे से पालन किया जाता है, ताकि प्रत्येक पाठक को उसकी पुस्तक मिल सके और बच्चों में रुचि जागृत करने हेतु विभिन्न तरह की प्रतियोगिताएं भी करवाई जाती है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. And you can see the laptop used to keep the record online also. And this library is very spacious, and this is completely AC. You can see the AC has been installed. And now I would like to take you for the round. We have all the NCERT books with us, and we have books for senior secondary classes also, for 11th and 12th, for which we are seeking for the permission. And we have all the reference books, map skills books, we have moral story books, we have the motivational books and current affairs. All the encyclopedias, dictionaries are also available. To enhance the reading skills of the students, we carry on different activities. We issue one book to every child fortnightly, and the student has to read that book. After that, the child returns the book to the librarian, and the librarian asks the questions from the book, and on the basis of this, we select the best reader from every class. So, this is a way we enhance the reading skills in our students. So you can see the books for the young champs too, for the little champs of LKG, UKG, so that they can also enjoy the library. And we have all different sort of books. So let me take you now to our 11th classroom. So this is our 11th science classroom. You can see the room equipped with same infrastructure, with 2 ACs and dice, and we have the projector, the smart board, the green board, and beautiful furniture for our students. Now we are moving towards 11th commerce classrooms. This is 11th commerce classroom. Here again the same system is there. We have a small notice board where the important information is displayed. Along with this, the creation of the students is displayed. Let's move to our class 8. Let me take you to more classrooms. Then we will go to office to check the lesson designs and how the internal system of the school works. This is our class 8 classroom. This is the display board outside. Here again, the same infrastructure you can see. The smart boards, almirah to keep the books, and ACs been installed. The very decorative classrooms. These classrooms make the children ready to learn. This is class 9 classroom. Again, the same infrastructure is there. Our smart boards are internet enabled. the display board outside? Yes. Let me take you to office so that we could see the functioning of our school. So here we are running the online classes and we are using Microsoft Teams to run the online classes. Our students are attending the classes very regularly. A systematic record of all the students is being kept by all the class teachers. Along with this, every week the teachers send their lesson designs, and because of this COVID-19 they are not supposed to come to school, so they are sending us their lesson designs through email or through WhatsApp. And all the activities we are carrying on are online activities. The portfolios of all the students is maintained this way by the teachers. So this is about the infrastructure of our school. Along with this, the internal activities of the school plays a vital role. We are running our online classes through Microsoft Teams, and we have conducted recently our half-yearly examination, as well as all the teachers are submitting their lesson designs through email or through WhatsApp, and we are keeping a proper record of everything. We have a specific timetable to be followed. We have all the duties to be we have assigned to the teachers, and this is all about Madan International School. Thank you so much.